The oceans cover more than 70% of our planet, yet most of them remain unexplored. Hidden beneath the waves are ancient ruins, mysterious objects, forgotten shipwrecks, and natural wonders that seem almost impossible to believe. Some have been explained by science. Others continue to spark debate and curiosity around the world. These are 10 strange things found underwater. Let's dive in. Beneath the clear waters near Cancun, Mexico, lies one of the world's most unusual museums. Instead of paintings hanging on walls, hundreds of life-sized sculptures rest on the ocean floor. The museum was created to reduce pressure on nearby coral reefs while providing a home for marine life. Over time, coral and sea creatures have covered many of the statues, transforming them into living underwater artworks. Divers from around the world visit this incredible site every year. It is a perfect example of how art and nature can come together beneath the sea. Off the coast of Belize lies a giant circular sinkhole known as the Great Blue Hole. It measures more than 300 meters across and reaches a depth of over 120 meters. From above, it appears as a perfect dark blue circle surrounded by bright turquoise water. Scientists believe it formed during the last ice age, when sea levels were much lower. Today, divers exploring its depths have discovered massive underwater caves, ancient rock formations, and surprisingly little marine life near the bottom. The Great Blue Hole remains one of the most fascinating natural wonders hidden beneath the ocean. More than 100 years ago, sponge divers discovered an ancient shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera. The ship had rested on the seafloor for over 2,000 years. Inside, archaeologists found statues, jewelry, coins, and one of the most mysterious artifacts ever discovered, the Antikythera mechanism. The wreck completely changed our understanding of ancient technology and trade. Even today, researchers continue exploring the site and finding new treasures hidden beneath the sea. It remains one of the most important underwater archaeological discoveries in history. Beneath the waters of Lake Neuchâtel in Switzerland lie the remains of prehistoric villages built thousands of years ago. Ancient people constructed wooden homes on platforms supported by large timber posts. As water levels changed over the centuries, these settlements became submerged. Today, archaeologists study the preserved remains to learn how early farming communities lived, built their homes, and adapted to their environment. These underwater villages provide a remarkable window into everyday life thousands of years ago. Off the coast of the Bahamas lies a strange formation known as Bimini Road. It consists of large limestone blocks arranged in a pattern that resembles a man-made road. Some people believe it could be part of the lost city of Atlantis. However, most geologists conclude that the stones formed naturally through geological processes. Despite the scientific explanation, the unusual appearance of Bimini Road continues to fuel mystery and speculation. It remains one of the most famous underwater formations in the world. Beneath the waters of Alexandria, Egypt, archaeologists discovered the ruins of what is believed to have been part of Cleopatra's royal quarter. Massive stone blocks, ancient statues, columns, and temple remains now rest on the seabed. Earthquakes and tsunamis caused parts of the ancient city to sink into the Mediterranean Sea many centuries ago. Today, divers continue exploring these remarkable ruins, uncovering new pieces of Egypt's rich history. The underwater city remains one of archaeology's greatest discoveries. More than 100 years after its tragic sinking, the Titanic still rests nearly 4,000 meters below the surface of the Atlantic Ocean. The wreck was finally discovered in 1985 after decades of searching. Despite years of exploration, many parts of the ship remain untouched because of the extreme depth and harsh conditions. Scientists also warn that natural bacteria are slowly consuming the steel, meaning the wreck will continue to disappear over time. The Titanic remains one of the world's most famous underwater discoveries. In Mexico's Cenote Angelita, divers witness an incredible illusion. Deep below the surface, a thick layer of hydrogen sulfide creates what looks like a flowing underwater river. Above it, the water is crystal clear. Below it, visibility changes dramatically, creating the appearance of a separate world. Although it looks supernatural, the phenomenon has a scientific explanation. Even so, it remains one of the most breathtaking underwater sights on Earth. In 2011, a team searching the Baltic Sea discovered a strange object resting on the seafloor. Its unusual circular shape immediately attracted worldwide attention. Some people claimed it could be an ancient structure, a crashed spacecraft, or something completely unknown. Later studies suggested it is most likely a natural geological formation. Even today, the Baltic Sea anomaly continues to spark debate and curiosity across the internet. Near the Japanese island of Yonaguni lies one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. The underwater formation features massive stone terraces, flat platforms, sharp angles, and giant steps. Some researchers believe it is the remains of an ancient city that sank thousands of years ago. Others argue that it was created entirely by natural geological processes. To this day, there is no scientific consensus. Whether natural or man-made, the Yonaguni Monument remains one of the most fascinating underwater discoveries ever found. The oceans continue to hide countless secrets beneath their surface. Every year, new discoveries remind us that we have explored only a small part of the underwater world. Which underwater discovery amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Factnox for more amazing facts, mysteries, and incredible discoveries from around the world. See you in the next video.